Good morning everyone and welcome back to today's vlog. So I am gonna finish decorating for Christmas. In my last video I shared me styling the Christmas tree. I already have the dining table decorated. I love using like a variety of trees for my centerpiece. I still need to decorate this console table. I'm gonna decorate the coffee table as well, and I picked up a ton of new toys from Walmart that I'm gonna be donating because our library is doing a Christmas drive and Walmart is sponsoring today's video, so I have to give them a really big thanks for that. I was able to find some really nice toys on the site, toys that I know children will love, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna unbox those items and drop them off when I go pick the kids up from school. I have the items that I'm gonna be using on the coffee table right here, and I already put my garland here on the TV stand. But yeah, this is just gonna be a pretty chill vlog. Just hang out with me while I get things done around the house before it's time for me to go and pick up the kids. If you're still doing your Christmas shopping, definitely check out Walmart for really great toys, and not even just toys, but items in general, whether you're shopping for children, adults, doesn't matter. Just check out Walmart because the shipping is really fast. Some of these items you can just order online and pick up the same day, but a lot of my items came like the next day or within 2 or 3 days. You can find top brands in fashion, home items, tech, and more on walmart.com and at affordable prices, which makes getting ready for the holidays and finding that perfect gift for someone really easy and enjoyable. And the majority of the items that my kids had on their Christmas list this year, I was able to find on Walmart, so I definitely placed those orders. I highly recommend you guys check on Walmart for your holiday shopping this season because they are really amazing, and I will have all of these items that I was able to find for the little ones and linked in the description box. So let me just show you each item. I went ahead and picked up this Barbie closet with like over 25 pieces, clothes, shoes, accessories. That's really great. And then I also wanted to get something for, like, you know, the toddlers and stuff and little the babies. So I have this blockables. They just mix and match the pieces, snap them together. It's really great for child development. And then someone is going to get this 2-in-1 pop and pitch trainer. This looks like so much fun, just, you know, hitting the ball as it pops out. And then I picked up Barbie Chelsea and her cute little tree house. Really like that. And then we have this Hot Wheels set, something my son would have loved when he was a bit younger. He has outgrown his Hot Wheels phase. He's into like Legos now. This is what it looks like. It has 4 loops and it's 26.7 inches high, and it says it's new for 2024, so that's really great. And the last thing is going to be something for the little ones. I think this will make a great gift for a toddler. This Story Dream Machine, and this just looks like so much fun. The fact that it projects onto the wall like that, yeah, I think the little ones will have fun with this one. It includes 3 stories, a little golden book. So yeah, just a really fun item. I almost forgot about this one. It was still in the box. Don't know how I missed it, but I'm so happy I checked the boxes before throwing them out just now. But yeah, this is another Lego set. This Lamborghini V12, something my son asked for this year as well. So yeah, they really love these Lego pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and pack these up in the car and drop them off today because I think tomorrow is the last day for the toy drive. And we went to the library yesterday and the box was already filled to the top. So unless they emptied it out, they're going to have quite an overflow of items when I drop these off. But yeah, I just know these items will make some little ones happy. All right, let's go ahead and work on this console table in the dining room. I have these houses that I'm going to use on the console table, the same thing I did last year. I really love the way it looks, so I'm going to do it again this year. So my little town is done. I was thinking about going back and like just sprinkling some snow around. I think that'll look nice. I love these like, you know, towns, whether you do the like all white houses or the gingerbread houses or just, you know, some houses that look very realistic. I just like the creation of like a little town on a console table or your dining table. But I really love these little white houses. I think they're super cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep this tree here. Let's see. I think it looks better without it. But whatever, it's just decor. No big deal. It's cute. So these spaces are done, and that is all I am doing for Christmas this year. I really didn't go out and buy too many new items. Just used what I've been using for the past few years now. The only thing that's new are these black nutcracker ornaments and the bow that's on the top of the tree. And I did mention in my tree decorating video that I was thinking about going out and maybe finding some more ornaments with black, because I wasn't planning on using black at all, but I couldn't pass up on these ornaments. So I was thinking about finding some more that has black in it, so that that's not the only black thing on a tree, but it's honestly not that big of a deal. I still love the turnout. And I was thinking about spray painting them as well, but I'm not going to do that. I love the black. But I am done decorating for Christmas, and I am so happy about that. I did have a bit of a late start, but I wasn't trying to get this stuff up too early anyways. I don't want to have this Christmas decor up for 2-3 months. No. I like to start around Thanksgiving time. I do like to have the tree up for Thanksgiving, but not all of the decor around the house. No, I like to wait until after Thanksgiving to start, you know, putting all of this stuff out. Alright, so that's going to wrap up this video, guys. I am going to head out to drop off these toys and spend the rest of my evening with the family, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.